Welcome back. Hope you are doing fine. I have a very interesting project for you, as you can see by the title as well. We are entering a phase where AI is going to take over even trading, everything basically that you can think of. There's going to be literally very few areas where it's not taking over. And you could say it already took over trading a long time ago, because the big boys, the BlackRocks, the JP Morgans of the world, they have automated software sort of resembling AI, but combined, and they invested billions in that, and they have it for decades already. I think about 20 years easily, and it's only getting better. And now it's time for us to get on the same level or similar level, with sort of trying to predict the markets, automate the trading, and help us with AI. And this page I came across on Twitter. It's called Rallies.ai, and it's a really cool page where not only you can obviously everything focused on AI to find out about companies, about different ask any questions you have, and if it's a worthwhile buy or fundamentals, all this stuff. You can find all the metrics, which is really clear, and I really like this so far. But the main thing and the point of this video obviously is the new tool that they added, or the new part where they literally thrown all the top AI projects and against each other, and gave each other $100,000, and they're trading. So this started I think 2 months ago or something like that, really early time still. But as you can see, I've got Grok, Deepseek, Claude on top, and then ChatGPT, Gemini from Google, basically battling out who can make the best choices. And the best part of it is I think it's not even paid, because there is also the paid version where you can ask the questions, all that stuff. But this part, I don't think even it's paid, and this is what interests me most. You've got the portfolios where you can literally track it and do exactly as they AIs are doing, buy and sell. So in case of Grok, let's say yesterday it bought new stock Qualcomm, and you could literally do it the same. As you can see, 1 day ago, Grok 4 bought Qualcomm. They had like $50,000 left of the balance. The other ones are using all the balance. Grok is not using all the balance, and it added Qualcomm to the portfolio. Then you can click on portfolio. You can see exactly how much allocation. They still have 38,000 left, and they're sort of leading with the Deepseek together. So Qualcomm bought yesterday, lost a little bit money. So we'll see how it goes. But the other two, Salesforce and MU, not sure what the companies, made money, and that made Grok stay in the first place. Now Deepseek is catching up, and Deepseek, as you can see, has a ton more stocks with different allocations, and also much less cash, as you can see. But what's very nice is that feed where they literally every day also explain themselves, the AIs explain why they did it. Let's say when they buy something, as you can see, they explain why they did that, and this is all based on, it's all only gonna get better. I'm wondering what's gonna happen in the future if everyone will be using that. But obviously there's always something going on the markets. They're always moving money from one place to another, so hopefully there's always going to be a way to earn some money. And obviously, as I said, the big boys, the big companies already had this kind of software that's traded for them, trading automatically, basically by algorithm, for a long time. And now we can catch up a little bit, make it much more accessible. Obviously that will mean more people will come to the markets as well, and hopefully more money will come in and more liquidity. So let's see how it goes. I really like it. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna copy some of the trades in small positions with Grok, with Deepseek, probably the top ones. But as you can see, from 100,000 to 108,000 in literally a month or two max. I think it's a month old. It's really mind-blowing. Yeah, it's a month old. They started. ChatGPT bought this, Claude Sonnet bought this, and all of them started buying here. With no open positions and 100,000 in cash, I'm initiating my position in CRM, allocating 20%. So it's also very good explanation. Why did they do it and not putting all the money in that just sort of it's part of it? So Grok for me is really interesting, and I'm definitely going to add some of the stocks and try to follow them and see how this turns out. So check it out, guys. There's tons of new other things as well. I'm not sure which ones are paid. I still have like two days left, so you can obviously get the 7-day trial. And then as far as I know, I checked on other browser, the portfolio, the arena for the AI is still visible and you can access it without even logging in. So for me, that will be enough to see how they trade and copy a little bit and see, hopefully maybe make some more money than the typical returns. But obviously stay safe and do your own research, guys, and thank you for watching.